Hey boys and girls, welcome to your writing lesson today. It is Miss Dobbins here talking to you guys about another opinion writing. So you are going to today write about what your opinion of the best pet is. So if you have a pet, you might already know what you think is the best pet, but if you don't have a pet, you might have to brainstorm. That means to stop and think for a little bit about what you think, what animal would make the best pet. Okay, so if you already know, that's great. If you don't know what you think would be the best pet, why don't you stop this video and think about it and then replay it when you have a better idea. Okay, so I already have an opinion on what the best pet would be. So I'm going to start in the first box by saying, in my opinion, the best pet would be a dog. Okay, so remember, when we are writing an opinion writing, we are trying to sell the person reading it. We want them to believe what we believe by the time that they're done reading. So it's really important for us to give really good ideas. So that first box, you're going to write your opinion of what you think the best pet would be. Then as you go into the next couple boxes, you're going to give reasons why. So I'm going to use transition word first, and then I'm going to say first, I think dogs are the best pet. So I've stated my opinion again, and then I have to tell why. So I'm going to say because you can cuddle them when you are sad. So I think dogs are the best pet because when you are sad, you can just cuddle right up to them and they will be there for you. Okay? Then I'm going to go and give another reason. So I might say next, a dog is the best pet because you can walk it to get exercise. So when you, So when you have a dog, you can walk it to get exercise. So that's going to be good for you. You can get healthy by walking your dog, and it's good for the dog too. So then I have to give another reason why I think dogs are the best pet. So last, I've already said that you can cuddle with them, that you can walk them to get exercise. So I'm going to say last, got to think about another reason why I think a dog is the best pet. So last, a dog is the best pet because I'm going to say because they can be your best friend. So a dog can be your best friend. So to sum it all up, in my opinion, I think dog would be the best pet. Then I'm going to give reasons of why I think a dog is the best pet. Okay, don't forget to go in and add your illustrations in each box when you are done.